What's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful braid out and the technique that I use. So if that is something that you guys are interested in seeing, please stay tuned. If you are new here, I hope that you will consider becoming a part of the squad and going ahead and subscribing to my channel. And also, if you're new, I want to go ahead and say that I'm not a natural girl that cares about perfection. I don't always lay my baby hairs down. I just kind of do what works for me, and styles like this definitely work for me. So let's jump right into it. I've been completely natural for about 10 years now. And as we all know, being a natural girl, the journey is literally filled with trial and error. And I've learned over the years that my braid outs come out better whenever my hair is blown out and stretched first. So once my hair is blown out and stretched, I spray a little bit of water just for a little bit of dampening, and then I go in. Today I'm using the Cream of Nature for natural hair. I'll link it down below because I can't think of the specific name for it right now. Brush my hair through. Make sure you're going all the way up to the roots, because otherwise whenever you take your braid out down, it will have that puffy look because only the ends in the middle was detangled and you didn't go all the way up to the root. That's also something that I learned along my journey. Now, I don't do anything specific when it comes to braiding my hair. I just do a typical braid and stop halfway down the middle so that the bottom of the hair can be rolled up into a perm rod to make sure that there's no pieces that are straight or anything. The curl can just be seamless. Whenever you're braiding your hair and moving through the pieces, don't move so fast unless you're like a professional braider. I learned that when I move slow and take my time with braiding it and making sure that I'm smoothing it down, I end up getting the best results. Because if your braid is like puffy or pieces are entangled into one another, that's exactly how your braid out is going to come out. So once I get closer to the end of the braid where I'll begin to roll the perm rod, I like to brush my hair out again and make sure that everything is smooth. So once I begin wrapping it, I'm going to say it again, the curls are going to be seamless. I did go ahead and add a little bit more product to my ends before rolling it up the rod. And the type of curl that I'm doing, I believe it's called a corkscrew, the way that I'm twisting it. Basically like grabbing it and then twisting it around and then rolling it up the braid so that the curl stays on the rod, or the hair stays on the rod. And I'm going to go ahead and just repeat this method all over my head. I believe I ended up having about 6 braids on each side. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe there were about 6 braids. You can make as many braids as you choose to, but I feel like this was the perfect size for me to get the results that I got. I'm going to go ahead and stop yapping and speed up the video. You guys enjoy. I will be back to chat when it's time to take the braids down. Okay, so I'm finished, and I could go sit underneath the dryer. That's probably what I'm going to do because I have to go to the gym today. But honestly, my husband bought these. So I'm not sure what this is or what it's called. I think it's for dreads because him and my son have locks. It stretches and it's long, and this part stretches as well too. So I'm getting ready to put this on my head. I'm probably going to wear this to the gym if I'm being 100% honest. And I'll probably take these out tomorrow. So, oh my gosh, I'm like fighting for my life right now.
I'm fighting for my life.
What the hell? What's up, you guys? So it is the next day and I'm getting ready to start taking these down. Obviously it's completely dry because it's been well over 24 hours that they've been in my head. And as you guys know, with any other takedown, you want to add some oil to your hand. I'm just rolling up my sleeve, so. And this is not the oil that I typically use, but my oil will be in stock in the next few weeks. So that's the oil that you guys will be seeing me use. So yeah, let's start taking these down. This is what we have right now. Nice little curl. That's cute. Take your time and be delicate as you take the braids down. This is pretty. Wow, this is gorgeous. Do you see that? Oh my God. One way to make me smile. I can't wait to take them all down. All right, come on. So this is my final look. I absolutely love how this turned out. I definitely could have used some smaller flexi rods, maybe like the cream ones that are real thin, to get like a more defined curl at the bottom of the braid. But overall, it's giving. And I didn't define my curls too much because I like how they look. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, besties.